Good morning, my name is Owen Francis from South African Welding Education. I'd like to speak to you today a little about Welders Qualifications, or coded welders as we like to call ourselves. Depending on the industry that a company is supplying, petrochemical industry or for example power stations, it's required for a company to meet certain requirements where welding is concerned. So if you're going to weld in a petrochemical environment or even in a power station, if you're going to be welding vessels or tanks, structures or even piping, you got to meet certain requirements. You got to put in place a procedure qualification record of your PQR. Your WPS, the welding procedure specifications, can be various of those from one PQR, and then ultimately you put together your welders qualifications. Now what is this? The most important thing about your welders qualifications, besides your ranges and the diameter ranges, your positions, etc., is the welder's ability to deposit sound weld metal. That's what's most important. And this is where most of our coded welders, myself included, if you were somebody that didn't understand coded welding in the past, like myself, this video is for you. Coded welders, the most important thing after your visual, of course if you do a visual on a weld and it doesn't meet your visual standards, you're not going to take it for an RT or for an X-ray. And that's what's most important about a code. When a welder introduces himself as a coded welder, what he's saying is that he is able to weld X-ray quality welding. Your X-ray report is the most important part of your welder's qualifications. And a lot of training institutions, a lot of guys seek to get coded as welders, when what's most important about a code is your X-ray. So at South African Welding Education, we provide a service where we supply you with material and consumables as well as RT to ensure that your welding is of X-ray quality. If you're a confident welder, if you've been welding for years, or even if you haven't been welding for years, you just came out of a training school, and you'd like to get a tangible experience about what your welding is like on paper, you can contact me. My name is Owen Francis. You get me on 081 049 6427, or you can go to our website. It's www.sawe.za.com, and we'll offer you a service where you can come into our institution and you can do a test, and from that test we'll do a visual on it to see if we can go to the next step, and after that, if it's visually acceptable, we'll do an RT on it. We'll X-ray your welding and we can tell you exactly what kind of issues you have in your welding, if it's of X-ray quality or not. And this will save you the trouble of going through and trying to search for a code. It also puts you in a good position with labor brokers or companies looking to employ welders, because any QC inspector understands a RT report is more effective than a code, because the code will give you information but it won't tell you exactly what type of welding the welder is able to deposit. So we can give you that service. We'd like to offer you that service. If you're interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp once again on 081 049 6427. Thank you.